Today we are making stew without any vegetable oil or any additional oil. Remember, vegetable oil that we buy in the stores are processed, and during the process of processing it, all the nutrients from the vegetables are gone, the fiber is gone, and the body does not get any useful nutrient from that processed oil. So it's better for us to get oil directly from the source, natural oil, which I will talk about in another video. So today we are not using any processed oil, no vegetable oil in this stew, and it will amaze you the result you are going to get. Blend your tomatoes, onions and garlic and the pepper together, and we are cooking this our stew with our cookware, salad master cookware, that can cook without oil, without water, and minimal salt and spices. So because it retains all the nutrients in the food. Look at that, we are drying the oil direct without any oil, so there's no need of frying. The oil has already been fried. Why are you frying it again? Then I add tin tomato to it, my tin tomato to it, then mix them together very well, and you see no oil in it, and the tomato is dried. So you can dry your tomato without frying it, and that is what Salad Master can do for you. Now that's the meat, the chicken I have cooked with the stock, and now add everything inside the boiled tomato, the cooked tomato. Then stir it together, stir and allow to cook until the oil from the meat will come out. Then you can now taste and can add additional salt, a little bit, your maggi, your curry, thyme, and every spice you want to use. Now that is it. Allow to cook for a while. Look at that. That's the oil from the chicken. So why add additional oil if you can get so much oil from the meat you use in making the stew? There is no need of frying the tomato. Yeah, and you can achieve that very quickly and easily if you use Salad Master cookware.